you Masala Doodh. It is a traditional Maharashtrian recipe which is made on the occasion of Sharad Purnima, also known as Kochadri Purnima. People believe that on Sharad Purnima, Goddess Lakshmi comes to the earth and gives a lot of blessings to those who are awake on the night of the Sharad Purnima. In Maharashtra, it is a tradition that people make a special Masala Doodh or kheer and put it in the moonlight and drink it the next day. So to make the Masala Doodh, I have taken 10 almonds, 10 cashews, 15 pistas, 10 strands of kesar or saffron, 2 pods of cardamom and 3 tablespoons of sugar. So first I am going to add all the ingredients in a grinder. Almond, cashews, pistas, kesar, the cardamom. So next I am going to crush it in the grinder. We don't have to make a fine powder of it. It should look like this. Next I have boiled 3 cups of milk and then I am going to add the powder in it. We have to mix it and after this we have to boil it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes I am adding the sugar in it and some nutmeg powder. Mix it well and then our masala doodh will be ready. Friends, our masala doodh is ready. Right now my house is smelling very aromatic. I am going to garnish it with some finely chopped pistas.